Valley of the Moon, Chile. Welcome to Travel Treasures, where we explore the most beautiful and enchanting places around the world. Today, we are in the heart of the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, to discover together the Valley of the Moon in Chile. Join us on this exciting journey. The Valley of the Moon, or Valle de la Luna, is a remarkable natural wonder located in the Atacama Desert in northern Chile. This area, characterized by its lunar-like landscapes, has a fascinating history that intertwines geological phenomena, ancient cultures, and modern exploration. Geological history. The Valley of the Moon's unique landscape is the result of millions of years of geological processes. The area is part of the Salt Mountain Range, Cordillera de la Sal, which was formed by the folding of the Earth's crust due to tectonic activity. Over time, the combination of wind and water erosion sculpted the valley's distinctive features, such as its sharp ridges, vast sand dunes, and unusual rock formations. The valley's surface is covered with a crust of salt, clay, and other minerals, which gives it a striking resemblance to the Moon's surface. This resemblance is so pronounced that NASA has used the Atacama Desert, including the Valley of the Moon, to test instruments for Mars missions due to its extreme aridity and otherworldly terrain. Ancient inhabitants. Long before it became a site of scientific interest, the Valley of the Moon was home to ancient indigenous peoples. The Atacama Desert has been inhabited for thousands of years by groups such as the Atacamino people. These ancient cultures adapted to the harsh desert environment, developing sophisticated methods for farming, water management, and trade. Artifacts and petroglyphs found in and around the Valley of the Moon provide evidence of these early inhabitants. These remnants offer glimpses into the daily lives, spiritual practices, and societal structures of the ancient peoples who once thrived in this arid landscape. Modern exploration and tourism. In the modern era, the Valley of the Moon has become a popular destination for tourists and scientists alike. Its proximity to the town of San Pedro de Atacama, a hub for travelers exploring the desert, makes it easily accessible. Visitors are drawn to the valley for its breathtaking sunsets, unique geological formations, and opportunities for adventure activities such as hiking, sandboarding, and stargazing. In addition to tourism, the valley continues to be a site of scientific research. The extreme dryness of the Atacama Desert, one of the driest places on Earth, provides a unique environment for studying extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions. This research has implications for understanding life on other planets, particularly Mars. Tourist activities in the Valley of the Moon. The Valley of the Moon, or Valle de la Luna, in the Atacama Desert is a captivating destination that offers a variety of activities for adventurers, nature lovers, and those seeking a unique travel experience. Here are some of the top activities you can enjoy when visiting this extraordinary landscape. 1. Hiking and trekking. The Valley of the Moon is a hiker's paradise with several trails that vary in difficulty and length. Popular hiking routes include Duna Mayor. This trail takes you to the top of the Great Dune, offering panoramic views of the valley's surreal landscapes. Tres Marias, a shorter trail that leads to the iconic rock formations known as the Three Marys. Carey Gorge, Quebrada de Carey. This hike features narrow canyons and fascinating rock formations. 2. Sandboarding. For the adventurous, sandboarding down the massive dunes in the valley is a thrilling activity. Equipment can be rented in the nearby town of San Pedro de Atacama, and the experience of gliding down the sandy slopes is unforgettable. 3. Cycling. Mountain biking is a popular way to explore the Valley of the Moon. There are various trails suitable for cycling, allowing you to cover more ground and see different parts of the valley. Make sure to bring plenty of water and sun protection, as the desert can be very harsh. 4. Photography. The Valley of the Moon is a photographer's dream. The dramatic landscapes, unique rock formations, and vibrant colors at sunrise and sunset provide endless opportunities for stunning photos. Key spots for photography include the amphitheater, Coyote Stone, Piedra del Coyote, and the Great Dune. 5. Stargazing. The Atacama Desert is renowned for its clear skies and minimal light pollution, making it one of the best places in the world for stargazing. Several tour operators in San Pedro de Atacama offer guided stargazing tours that include powerful telescopes and expert astronomers to help you explore the night sky. 6. Sunset tours. Watching the sunset in the Valley of the Moon is a magical experience. As the sun sets, the valley's rocks and sands change colors, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Guided sunset tours often include visits to the best vantage points, such as Coyote Stone, where you can enjoy unobstructed views. 7. Cultural tours. Learn about the rich history and cultural significance of the area with a guided cultural tour. These tours often include visits to nearby archaeological sites, such as Tulier Village and Pucara de Quito, and provide insights into the lives of the ancient Atacamino people who once inhabited the region. 8. Flora and fauna observation. While the Atacama Desert is one of the driest places on Earth, it is home to a surprising variety of flora and fauna. Keep an eye out for hardy desert plants, like the Atacama giant cactus, and wildlife, such as foxes, lizards, and a variety of bird species. 9. Relaxation and meditation. The serene and otherworldly environment of the Valley of the Moon is perfect for relaxation and meditation. Find a quiet spot, sit back, and soak in the tranquility of this unique landscape. Many visitors find the valley to be a place of peace and reflection. Practical tips for visitors. Bring plenty of water. The desert climate can be extremely dehydrating. Wear sun protection, hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen are essential. Dress in layers. Temperatures can vary significantly between day and night. Respect the environment. Follow leave no trace principles to preserve the natural beauty of the valley. Plan ahead. Some activities, like guided tours and equipment rentals, may require advance booking. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or a deeper connection with nature, the Valley of the Moon offers a diverse range of activities to make your visit memorable. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to the Valley of the Moon in Chile. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest adventures. Let us know in the comments about the places you would like to explore with us next time. See you on our next adventure.